Okay, here's just a quick tutorial on assembling one of our hinged toilet risers. I've got the standard size in front of me here. The elongated model will also work as well. It'll follow essentially the same directions. You can mount a toilet seat and the lid on top here when you're putting it all together, when you're bolting it to the toilet. Just lay it over here, align the holes, and run the bolts through like you normally would. Now, this will ship in two separate pieces, but you can get it assembled together without tools. All you'll need to do is turn the pieces over. You'll see here on the bottom of the bracket piece, there are these grooves on either side. If you take the seat, turn that over. If you put that there, if you just push down right here, this is just pliable enough to where it'll flex and it'll pop into place. I'll do it here. It might be kind of loud. I apologize. Just like that. All together. And you're all set.